Hey guys, my name is Shabbir Khan, and in this video, I'm going to show you how I'm making money with Clickbank. And this is video number 3 from the first 2 video series that I've been making on my Clickbank journey. And I wanted to document this journey in front of you so that you know that I started with Clickbank recently, and because I started applying the right methods, the right results, the right strategies, I was able to make money with Clickbank. And that's what I wanted to record. And I'm going to leave the links of the 2 videos that I made earlier than this.
It's 6 o'clock.
Which in the description of this video below. So you can go back and watch the video number 1 and video number 2 of the same series. This is video number 3. So let's just jump on the screen and let's get started. Okay. So first off, in this particular, as I told you, this is the video number 3 on the Clickbank series. So in this video, I will show you my real-time earning proof in Clickbank. Okay. And I will show you how much I spent in ads this week in Google Ads to make that money in Clickbank. I've created I have some good news in this video. I have created a step-by-step Clickbank video training course by the name CB Sales Mastery by Shabbir Khan. I will show you what is included in this training course. Okay? I will show you how you can buy CB Sales Mastery Training. This training course is not open for everyone. It's only open for a limited number of people. In order to buy the training course, you need to send me a direct message on my Facebook profile here. I'll put the link in the description below this video. So that's my Facebook profile. So you just need to send me a direct message to get access to my training course. So you need to send me a direct message. So coming back here, and you need to send a message saying, I would like to buy your CB Sales Mastery Training course, and I will send you further instructions via private message on how you can buy it. I don't want to publicly sell this training course because I only want serious people to buy my training and implement it and get results with it, and then share their testimonials with me so that I get excited, others get excited, and that way the value goes hand in hand. Because understand, this is a journey. Okay, getting sales in digital marketing with paid ads is a journey. So you have to stay connected with a team. You have to move forward like a team if you're initially getting started into this business. So when you get results with it, when you share your testimonials, I would be able to guide you even better. Okay. Yeah, so that being said, let's jump on to my Clickbank account. Okay, so this is my Clickbank account. I'll just refresh this screen so that you know I'm not faking anything. This is a real-time Clickbank account. Now you can see that I just refreshed my screen, and okay, this is taking a bit of time to load. Yep, there you go. So you can see I've been making sales consistently, and here $148, $100, 105, 205, 105. Okay, the sales are not coming in daily because I'm still testing the best methods, but yes, I'm making currently I'm averaging about 150 to up to $300 a week. You can see that this here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to calculate this week's ad spend and the money I've made. Okay, so the date that is shown here is 13th of October to 19th of October. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and select that date in my Google Ads account. So that's my Google Ads account. I'll go to the campaign section from here. Let me click the campaign section. This is one of my Google Ads account. And this is one of the active campaigns that is running in this particular ad account right now. So I'm going to select the dates here. So let's say 13 to up to 17. Okay. So the date here is, yeah, it's 13 to 19. I can't select 19 because today is 17th of October when I'm making this video. So the maximum date is giving me is from 13 to 17. I'll click apply. And as soon as I click apply, you would see that I have spent 12,000 rupees in Indian currency here. So if I go here and just write ad spend, so my ad spend is 12,000 rupees. Okay. And the money I've made this week is $311. So if I calculate 311 times, let's say 70, so 21792. So I'll just go back, 21792, and that's my sales. Okay. Okay, or you can call it as revenue, whatever you want to call it. This is in the Indian rupees, and this is again in the Indian rupees. Okay, so let's say in dollars, you can see that in dollars here it's 311 US dollars. So let's go back and let me write that down here as well, so you can see the dollar number as well. So this week I've spent 12,000 in Indian rupees and made well over 21,000 rupees. So that means if I do the maths here, so let's subtract this with this particular number, and let's see how much I'm into profit. Equals, so I'm into 9658. So my profit for this week is about 9658. So this week is 9658. Now I am not trying to I'm not trying to exaggerate, or I'm not trying to fake this video or fake my revenue numbers or fake the sales. I am giving you the exact numbers that I'm making. Okay? So that, because most of the marketers out there just show their revenue numbers, they do not show their profit, and that's where you fall for the wrong information. So yeah, so technically this week I made a profit of 9,658 rupees without doing anything. So my ads are running and I'm making money, right? Yeah, now that being said, coming back to the next point here, I have created a step-by-step Clickbank video training course, CB Sales Mastery. So let me show that course to you. This is the training course that I have made, guys. I'll show you the modules inside this. So the module number 1 includes how to find the right offers on Clickbank to promote, which allow brand bidding, how to find the search volume for the selected Clickbank offers, spying on competitor ads, landing pages, and ad copies, how to connect your GoDaddy domain to HostGator hosting, how to install WordPress on your domain, how to install an SSL certificate on your WordPress website, how to install. Now you can pretty much see, the modules here. So how to get your affiliate link from Clickbank, how to do some basic important settings for your landing page. Adding negative keywords is very important. If you don't know how to add the right negative keywords, you will just lose money on ads and never make sales. How to install a done for you landing page template. I have included my done for you landing page template. I've shown a live campaign in this. How to get your affiliate link, then again, how I got the first $85 sale on the 3rd day of starting the campaign. So this also includes the same case study. I've created a complete campaign in this training video by showing you how I did that exactly the way how I did it. Now, This is not theory, this is not fluff. This training is over the shoulder training where actually I am doing the stuff. So I'm teaching you the stuff by doing it in real time with a real world offer example. Okay. And I got a sale from the same strategy. The first $85 sale on the third day, the ad spend was $43 in profit. And then how to optimize your campaign at different levels. Okay. So again, this is the training course that you can get access to. It's a paid training course. It's not free. Just want to let you know. So yeah, this training course is not open for everyone. It's only open for a limited number of people. Okay. In order to buy this training course, you need to send me a direct message on my Facebook profile. This is the link here. I'll leave the link in the description below this video as well. I would like, and you need to send me a message saying, I would like to buy your CB sales mastery training course. And then I will send you the instructions via private message. Okay. I don't want to publicly sell this training course because I only want serious people to buy my training and implement it and get results with it. Okay. So this is my Facebook profile, guys. You can send me a direct message here and for my training course. Okay. And yeah, you can always check my Facebook profile. I have testimonials from different students who, you know, love the way I teach them. Okay. You also provide one-on-one coaching. Okay. So you can always scroll through my FB profile and see the testimonials in real time. Okay. These are the testimonials. So yeah. So that being said, that was pretty much it for this particular video. And I hope you like this video. I make these videos to inspire you on the possibilities and of that anybody can make money online. See, for those who know me, they know that I am an experienced marketer and I know my stuff. Okay. But the reason I'm making this journey, this case study, is to prove that I started with 0 results with Clickbank, okay, just 2 months back. And by following the right methods, I was able to get sales. So that means if anyone who follows these methods, he can get sales. You like a Google Ads account is free, you know, and getting the tools, anybody can get the tools. You don't need a degree or you know, a PhD degree to learn these things, right? You don't need a premium pass to be eligible for these things, right? So that's why I make these videos, to inspire you. And again, for those who are serious, they can definitely message me for the CB sales mastery training course, and I'm going to share the details with you. It's not open for everyone. Okay. So that being said, I would like to stop speaking now. And this is Shabbir Khan signing out. Make sure you comment below this video, like it, share it, and you know, show some love. Okay. That way it gives me more motivation to keep making videos like this. Okay. And please subscribe. Okay. There are a lot of people who I see watch my videos, but they never subscribe. So for those who have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, okay, so that you can receive the best updates. Take care. Bye-bye.